Unfortunately, the ideas and thoughts of mankind has went to the negative tracks. Hi friends, this is Neha and you are listening to my channel Mad Learners. I have come with a new topic which is not part of the English literature but it is a part of English idiom. As you all know this idiom, idea rules the world. Idea rules the world and the thought rules the life, which means that it is your idea which molds your destiny. Believe in the power of idea to change the things. In the present scenario, most of the mankind or human beings are so much tensed about the incomes, about the lifestyle, about the future, what will be the next. These are the thoughts which are running in the present situation. Hope that is the situation of everyone and the whole world even. Then what is the problem in that? Just we should have some power and positive thoughts in us. Vanish all the negative doubts, guilt complex, and you will find strength, joy, and success. Even you will build a confidence in yourself. Positivity will make you and your life with superb achievements. Actually, the idea is a thought or an opinion related to something which may pop up after a brainstorming situations. It can be spontaneous, situational ideas provided us with a platform to express our thoughts. The idea of rubbing of two stones by the element, can you imagine that idea? That was a need of fire. So here what do we imagine or what we can uh, conclude with this idea here? Idea is a necessary or a necessity or a need of the human beings, because those generation people need in fire, they got an idea of rubbing two stones. It was a beginning of a new era for the mankind. Most of the ideas are the result of some necessity or the need of human beings. Necessity is the mother of invention. Technology inventions such as electricity, internet, laptop, computers, and smartphones, all these were the needs for the society. When we have invented such an beautiful technology, why should we be so tensed in the present scenario that what will be the next? Hopefully, we might be lagging in financially with the past 10 decades, but by the two or by the good ideas we may go forward with the 2 or 3 years. We should be very thankful that in this situation we are at least having such type of technology like internets, laptops, computers to know what is happening around us. Imagine about the past generations where they had a curfews in their places. They didn't even know what's happening around the world, what might be their intentions and ideas. We should be very thankful for that smart ideas who have given us such an technology innovations and which is probably helping us with the wide changes. Without these platforms we not even uh, be knowing about this virus happening around our society. If we plant a seed, we will get a fruit. The fruit is an idea. We have to just implement a of positivity seed in your brain, so that you will be getting a fruit type of idea. Only a good idea is not sufficient. One requires the conviction and vision to execute it. One needs to have faith in his idea, as an idea has a potential to change the world. A successful execution of idea requires willpower, hard working and diligence. The countries around the world have so many ideas. People who generate new ideas and the organizations are investing heavily in terms of research and development. All this is done in order to provide a room or for creating things or thinking, so that the new ideas thus generated leads to innovation and development. I think in this situation so many of us will create so many ideas, but the implementation will be uh, in that place itself. India witnessed a technology revolution in the last few decades. It was the vision, faith, willpower, and determination of some of the present day leaders in their idea that India has been able to perform remarkably well in the information technology sector. I hope we are somewhere lacking with the science and technology. As in present situation, we are fighting with the coronavirus and we are lacking with the ventilators. With the science and technology, like it is touching the untouched horizons even, it becomes important for the educational institutes as well as the government to promote and nurture the indigenous research and development. Brilliant ideas backed by research and knowledge assure success. We are living in the world which is basking in the glory of some revolutionary ideas. This provides us with an insight into the potential of an idea, unleashing and harnessing. It means we can like we should realize and we should make use of the power of ideas which can help the countries and civilizations to take rapid strides towards development. Hope you all have understood what I want to say and what I have discussed. Thank you for listening. Create a positive stuff in your minds, and we can expect the beautiful civilization for the next. Thank you.